All About Temperature by Julianne. Goal: to figure out how long water will cool over a 10-minute period. Materials: 2 cups, ice cubes, water, thermometer, and a clock. Question: how many minutes will it take for the ice to melt? Hypothesis: I think it will take 8 minutes for the ice to melt. Data. Here's my data sheet. Graphing our water. Here's my graph of my water. Conclusion. My hypothesis was wrong. I thought the ice would melt in 8 minutes, but it did not melt at all. Opinion. I really like this experiment. I wish we could do it again, but we got other things to learn. It is cleaning time. This is the picture before and this is the picture after. Thank you for watching.